Anna wakes up early. It is a bright and sunny day. She has many things to do today. Anna eats breakfast quickly. She has toast and orange juice. She feels ready to start her day. First, Anna needs to go grocery shopping. She takes her shopping list and leaves the house. The grocery store is not far from her home. Anna likes walking. She sees many people on the way. They smile and say, "Good morning." At the grocery store, Anna takes a shopping cart. She looks at her list. She needs milk, bread, eggs, and some fruits. Anna walks to the dairy section. She picks up a bottle of milk. Next, she goes to the bread aisle. She chooses a loaf of whole wheat bread. Anna then picks up a dozen eggs. Finally, she goes to the fruit section. She buys apples, bananas, and oranges. Anna walks to the cashier. The cashier is friendly. She says, "Hello, how are you today?" Anna smiles and says, "I am good, thank you. How are you?" The cashier replies, "I am fine, thank you. That will be $10. Anna pays for the groceries and thanks the cashier. She puts the groceries in her bag and leaves the store. Next, Anna visits her friend, Lily. Lily lives nearby. Anna and Lily are best friends. They like to talk and have fun together. Anna rings the doorbell. Lily opens the door and hugs Anna. "Hi, Anna, come in," she says. Anna and Lily sit in the living room. They talk about many things. They talk about school, friends, and their favourite TV shows. Lily's cat, Whiskers, jumps on Anna's lap. Anna pets Whiskers. The cat purrs happily. After a while, Anna looks at the time. She says, "I have to go home now. I need to finish my homework." Lily says, "Okay, let's meet again soon. Have a good day." Anna leaves Lily's house and walks home. She feels happy after spending time with her friend. When she gets home, she puts away the groceries. Then she sits at her desk and opens her school books. Anna has math and English homework. She starts with math. She needs to solve some problems. Anna likes math. She finishes the problems quickly. Next, she works on her English homework. She needs to write a short story. Anna thinks for a moment. Then she writes a story about her day. When she finishes her homework, Anna feels tired but happy. She looks out the window. The sun is setting. The sky is orange and pink. It is very beautiful. Anna's mother calls her for dinner. They have pasta and salad. Anna tells her mother about her day. She tells her about the grocery store, visiting Lily and doing her homework. Her mother smiles and says, "You had a busy day, Anna. I am proud of you." After dinner, Anna washes the dishes. Then she goes to her room. She reads a book for a while. Reading is her favourite way to relax. Before going to bed, Anna thinks about her day. She feels good. She did many things and had fun too. Anna turns off the light and goes to sleep, ready for another busy day tomorrow. Anna wakes up early the next morning. It is Sunday. She stretches and feels happy. Today, she wants to do something fun. After breakfast, Anna decides to visit the park. She loves the park because it is peaceful and green. Anna takes a ball for playing and some snacks. She also takes her notebook and pen. She likes to write stories in the park. Anna calls her friend Sam and asks him to come with her. Sam says, "Yes, I will meet you at the park." Anna and Sam meet at the park entrance. Sam brings his dog, Rex. Rex is a big, friendly dog. He runs around and plays with the ball. Anna and Sam walk around the park. They talk and laugh. The park is full of people. Some are jogging, some are walking their dogs, and some are sitting on the benches. Anna and Sam find a nice spot under a big tree. They sit down and enjoy the sunny day. Anna takes out her notebook and starts writing. Sam reads a book. Rex lies down on the grass and takes a nap. After a while, Anna and Sam hear music. They see a group of people playing guitars and singing. Anna and Sam walk over to listen. The music is very good. It makes them feel happy and relaxed. They sit down and clap along with the music. One of the musicians, a girl named Zoe, comes over and talks to Anna and Sam. She is very friendly. Zoe says, "Do you like the music?" Anna says, "Yes, it is very nice. You all play very well." Zoe smiles and says, "Thank you. We play here every Sunday. You should come and join us." Anna and Sam promise to come back next week. Zoe gives them a flyer with the band's name and the time they play. Anna is excited to have something fun to do every Sunday. As the day goes on, Anna and Sam play some games. They throw the ball for Rex and run around. They have a lot of fun. Anna feels happy and relaxed. She enjoys spending time with her friend and being outside in the fresh air. In the afternoon, Anna and Sam decide to get some ice cream. They walk to the ice cream truck and choose their favourite flavours. Anna gets chocolate and Sam gets vanilla. They sit on a bench and eat their ice cream. It is delicious. Anna and Sam talk about school and their plans for the week. Anna feels lucky to have a good friend like Sam. They make plans to study together for a big test next week. They also decide to come to the park more often. As the sun starts to set, Anna says goodbye to Sam and Rex. She walks home, feeling tired but happy. She had a wonderful day at the park. When she gets home, Anna tells her mother all about her day. Her mother is happy to see Anna smiling. Anna goes to her room and looks at the flyer Zoe gave her. She is excited about next Sunday. She thinks about all the nice people she met and the fun she had. Anna knows she will have more adventures at the park. Before going to bed, Anna reads a book. She feels relaxed and ready for a good night's sleep. Anna thinks about her busy and fun weekend. She feels happy and grateful. She turns off the light and goes to sleep, dreaming of more adventures.